Welcome tech enthusiasts to Uncommon Sense, the ultimate destination for exploring the frontiers of technology. I'm thrilled to have you join us on this exhilarating journey, where we dive deep into cutting-edge technologies and unlock their true potential. From DevOps to cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and beyond, we're here to demystify complex concepts and guide you through practical implementations. Our video tutorials will equip you with the skills you need to thrive in the rapidly evolving tech landscape. Together, we'll explore real-world applications and unleash your inner tech guru. But that's not all. Stay up to date with the latest tech news as we decode industry trends and bring you fresh insights. We'll also dive deep into research papers, unraveling their significance and exploring their impact on the tech world. At Uncommon Sense, we believe that embracing the uncommon sense is the key to driving innovation. We're passionate about sharing knowledge, fostering curiosity, and redefining what's possible. So, are you ready to embark on this extraordinary tech adventure? Subscribe to Uncommon Sense now and become part of our vibrant tech community. Together, let's unlock the future.